G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a mail call. I've been holding this off a little bit because I've been waiting for mail from a subscriber or a viewer, but it hasn't turned up in the mailbox yet, and I have been waiting a while, so I thought I'd get through the massive amount of mail that I've been accumulating buying things off eBay over the last month or two and go through it now. Okay, so let's get into the mail. There's a few here and a couple of boxes. I've been lucky enough to be able to get some of the ballot wins, and we'll see what they are. There's a couple come in. They do come in quite late, but this is one. It's from Istanbul. This coin, or these coins, were quite interesting to me. I really enjoy my coloured $2 coins, and I wanted to see if I could get any of the $2 coins that the Royal Australian Mint issue. And so over time, went back through the annual reports and looked through the other countries' denominations and if they issued any coloured coins for other countries, and they have. So there's a couple of coloured coins in here. Hopefully, from what I remember, one that the Royal Australian Mint has issued, and then there's another coloured coin that the Royal Australian Mint didn't issue, but I do like the look of it anyway, so I thought I'd get it. So hopefully we will be able to get this out without too much drama. It's well packaged and well, there we go. So what we have is two different coins. One here is from, this is Fiji, and I think this is from the Royal Mint in the UK, United Kingdom. And this is the 50th anniversary. Is it the 50th? Yeah, 50 years of independence. So it's in a plastic sheath, and I might keep it in there if I can get a good, yes, it looks like I can get good vision by keeping it in there. But it's 50 years of independence, 10 October 2020. So I don't know, maybe it's that way. That's probably the way it's supposed to be. But that's a coloured coin, coloured imprint on there. And then we have the Fiji 2020 50 cents, and that was a coin I could only find in very few places on eBay to get the coloured coin. I do love my coloured coins, whether they're $2 or other denominations. There, and then the other one, here it is. We have, yeah, I think this is the Solomon Islands, and this is definitely well wrapped. See if we can cut this without both cutting the coins and my fingers. There we go, and there we go. I might keep the majority of those in the plastic and pop this one out so I can have a look at it. There we go. Very well packaged there. So this is issued or made at the Royal Australian Mint. This is the 2018 Solomon Islands, but it is the 40th anniversary of independence, and you'll see the colour there, very similar to some of the colours that we've been issuing in our $2 coins over the time, and this is from 2018, so a little bit of a while ago, about the same time as the coloured Gold Coast $2 coins, and so a very similar type of application there. The coloured ring, $2, 40th anniversary of independence for the Solomon Islands. So pick that up just because it was issued by the Royal Australian Mint or made at the Royal Australian Mint using the same process. There is another coloured coin, which is the Papua New Guinea APEC meeting. I think it's in 2020 or 2022. I'm not 100% sure, but there was only 200,000 of those made. There was, like our $1 APEC coin from 2011, there was a coloured coin and a circulating plain coin. I think it was a 50 kina, so it's a not a round coin, it's a sided coin, but I can't get hold of that. I cannot find that anywhere. It's really hard to find that coloured coin for the APEC from Papua New Guinea because it's so lowly minted. I'd like to be able to get my hands on that, and I'll keep my eyes out open for that one. So that's my first coin, and we're nearly 5 minutes in, which is great. There are so many packages here. I'm really, as I said, I've been waiting to get into some of these coins that I have ordered on eBay. Here we got something from eBay, Peter Stritch on eBay. And what did I buy here? Yes, there we go. We've got the 60th anniversary of National Service. This is particularly, this is from 2011, a 50-cent piece there on the carded Royal Australian Mint. Okay, can you see that? Yeah, it's quite textured there, very nice geometric faces. 50 cents, dedicated to all Australian national servicemen in memory of those who died. So Nasho, if you're of a certain age, if you were in Nasho, you'd be around the late 70s, mid 70s to into the 80s. I actually bought this one for my father-in-law. He was in the national service back in the late 60s, so that's a present for him. He's going to be happy with that. And we've got another one here. There's a couple of bigger ones now. Let's see if we can not dox the senders of these, and also not dox myself. But these larger ones should be some fill-ups on my uncirculated year sets. We've got double packaging on this one, which is great. So I went back through my list and had a look at the ones where I have proof sets only and wanted to get circulated, uncirculated sets. And we have 1993 coin set uncirculated. You have I remember through my full coin collection video, you would have seen that there's a number of years missing, although there is quite a number of years to get from 1966 to 2023. I've got a lot of them, but not all of them. So some of the ones I have through the 90s are in proof sets. So I wanted to get the uncirculated sets back. So here we have the Landcare Australia year, and I have multiple Landcare Australia mint mark coins in the $1 denomination. These are for uncirculated sets. So we've got 1993. There's a couple that were going quite cheaply, I thought, so I had to dip in to the YouTube funds and see if I can fill up my collection. Go, another well packaged cardboard holder and some soft plastic. And getting into those, and this one looks like another year set just from the colour. Makes me think that is the year of the family, 1994. There we go, yep, the year of the family, the uncirculated set from 1994. I talk about that a lot in my noodling hunts, but again, great to get the uncirculated set as well as having the proof set. That $2 one toned a little bit. Check the, oh, it looks like I've got a wide date uncirculated as well. That's not too bad. 1994 there on the uncirculated wide date, which is great. And the uncirculated set, now I'll probably have to go back and try and find a standard, but we'll see how that goes. There we go, 1994 uncirculated coin set for Australia with the year of the family motif. Another one here again. Another set. It'll be around that same time period, I believe. Troubles. Padded bag. I love the way the eBay sellers really do take the care to protect their coins when they put them through the mail. This one looks like the Barcelona Olympics, so that might be 92. So 92, 93, 94, just getting some of the years that I didn't have in uncirculated condition. So we have the 1992 Olympic, featuring the Olympic $1 Games coin. Very nice coin set there with the uncirculated $1 coin. Now can be a bit common to have an uncirculated $1 coin in the year set, but this particular year uncirculated, and I think one of the only times that we've had women on both sides of the coin. We have a women javelin thrower there, and then the queen and the effigy on there on the 1992. So 3 sets, 1992, 1993, 1994, all with a commemorative coin in them. It's fantastic. So fantastic to be picking up some of the coins that are needed for the collection, just to fill up some of those gaps in the uncirculated realm. And then we've got a couple of bigger boxes here from the Royal Australian Mint, e-postage. This will be tough to get into a little bit. Let's see how we go. If this will... There we go. Let's see what it says. Let's see if it has an invoice there. It does, and I'll take that out. On the floor, a bit of tissue paper, and then we have a bit of tissue paper. And so, what was this one? Well wrapped. This is a carded coin. What we have here, we have the Year of the Dragon, the 50 cent 2024 Tetradecagon. It's 12-sided. There we go. The Year of the Dragon. I won that on a ballot, on an EQL ballot. It's taken a significant time, which I think we've talked about before. It's one of the things that the Royal Australian Mint has been doing to try and stop the secondary market going crazy on some of these coins that can be had very, very quickly. I'm very happy with that. So that will go with my 60th anniversary of national service. And then I've got another one from the Royal Australian Mint. And this might be the other one that was in the Dragon ballot, because they don't get shipped together. You need to pay individual postage. Take that invoice out and a bit of paper there. Oh no, this is the $1. Maybe I didn't get the other ones. This is the $1 year set. $1 mint mark set, out of this world. I haven't seen this one yet. I haven't seen it in the shops at all myself, but very pleased to get it. I do have the $1 M counter stamp from the Melbourne Money Expo, but this is the full series with the mint marks and privy marks, the 4-coin set. Australia is going to the moon. An Aussie designed and built rover will be part of NASA's Artemis program in the second half of the 2020s. The rover is being developed by local industry and universities to demonstrate Australia's expertise in remote operations. The rover will be operated from a control station in Australia and collect lunar soil from which NASA will try to extract oxygen. This will see Australia play a direct role in NASA's mission to return to the moon and onto Mars. We have 9-gram $1 coins there, and there we go. We have the Out of This World mint mark set. Now, try not to dox myself too much with my face there. It's very, very shiny. So here we go. We'll try that one. It's the C mint mark. I think you've seen this on my channel before. There is the B privy mark, the M privy mark, and the S privy mark for Sydney. So very, very shiny. Very shiny in this case. A bit too shiny. We have King Charles the Third there, effigy and the date 2024, so first 2024 Charles coin that I've seen. $1 there on the denomination there on the legend. So very nice coins to be had. So that is it for this mail call. It's just a little one, but there was a lot of things there that I wanted to get out of the mail packages after it being in there for so long. The Out of This World, the Year of the Dragon, 60th anniversary of National Service, we've got a very nice coloured 40th anniversary of independence for the Solomon Islands and 50 years of independence for Fiji. Coloured coins. Oh, that's plopped out there. See if we can keep that in. Anyway, there we go. There we have it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy what I do, please think about subscribing and give me a thumbs up, a like, and so forth. Love to hear your comments about new coins, where you're getting yours from, what's about out and about. Love to hear it. I did talk about the Anaconda coins not that long ago, and I showed you some of those. So they are new coins just recently. Oh, the other thing, sorry, the other thing I picked up, this is something I nearly forgot. I've been waiting to open this for ages. I saw this on a video, a YouTube video from a gold prospector. I think it was Vogus Prospecting, or it could have been Pioneer Paulie, but this was something that he used to take photos of his nuggets. It's a microscope camera, fits on a smartphone. I've been looking at other coin tubers, and they've been having some of the microscopes that they can connect to their computers and so forth. This was a little bit cheaper, and just thought something that I thought that I might be able to use on the channel to take close-up photos of coins at a 200 times magnification. So I haven't got it out of the box yet. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Probably not going to work straight up, which is fine. I just wanted to show what it was. It just slips onto phone. Let's see if I've got a phone here that might fit it. So put the phone, so it moves up and down in this little casing there. Put the phone in the back. Then you position the camera over the lens. The lens is there. Position it over there, and you should be able to take photos with that. This phone is dead. This is my old Samsung phone that I used to record my videos on. So I should be able to take photos with that. I do have an Apple phone. I might be able to put that one on and see how we go with that. So it will position itself well. Looks like it might do something there. The camera. Let's see if I can muck around with this. Oh, the lighting's going to be an issue, isn't it? Yes. So I'm going to have to play around with that. I didn't spend too much money on that. That's why I was happy to get that portable microscope rather than a plug-in one. But that was another thing that I picked up over the last little while. It's what it is there if you want to have a look at it. It wasn't that too expensive, but there you go. There you have it. Finally opened up all my packages for this month and the last couple of months, actually. But that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy what I do, please think about subscribing. Give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment, as I said, down below. But as you know, I'll be back for more noodling in a couple of days. So I'll see you then. Bye.